Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the kit of the Panzer IV. Comes with, it doesn't come with two turrets, it depends on which kit that you got. The one with a long gun or the one with a short. So pay attention to the kits that you buy. But there will be one video for both versions of the Panzer IV in this video. So let's get going. First of all, let's take all the pieces and do all the cuts. So this piece needs a little cut underneath that little gun. Then go like this. And that piece should be good. Next. There's that piece. Just clean up that sprue. Then there's these little pieces. Just clean up the sprues there. There you go. So the body of the tank is pretty much done with that. Now let's get all the sprue cuts done on this turret. This is the one with a short gun. You see how I'm doing that? Just clip away that support plastic underneath that. Just kind of peel that away. Sand it down if you wish. Alright. Is that? Okay. That's for that turret. Now let's do this one. Just cut away, clean up that sprue mark. This piece is not done though. You need to cut underneath that gun like that. And then cut that piece off. There you go. Now I'm trying to keep those turrets pieces separated because they're two different turrets. If you buy the kit though, of course, the turret that you buy will come in the bag. Just cleaning up that sprue mark and stuff. Okay. Now, carefully take and cut this support plastic from underneath this gun. There you have it. You can sand it down if you wish. Alright, so I believe the cuttings for this process is done. Now let's start to glue together the body of this tank. Alright, so here's this back part. It's always good to test fit everything just to make sure, etc., etc. Alright, so continuing on with the gluing of this. So basically, first of all, let's go ahead and glue this piece together. So take some glue there, put the glue like that. Then use the table as a guide or whatever. But put that piece together. There you go. That piece is now together. And pretty sure that we need this piece like this. Yeah, so it needs to be flat like that. If you're seeing, just pay attention to that. And so easy to do that. Just get a glue there. And Then let's put this piece together. Just make sure that that is flat there. There. That piece is now together. And now we will be gluing these pieces together. To do that, just put glue on where it will contact. So there, those little ones, maybe those. All right. Then carefully take this piece and put it like that. So that piece is in the position that it needs to be. Let's do the other side. Now, take this. Just make sure that that gets in the correct position. There you go. If that can just manage to stay like that, then we're good. Next, just get some glue here. Like this, and there, and then a little bit there. Okay, there you go. So the body of this tank is coming along well. Next can be these tracks. So it's pretty easy to see where the tracks will go. So just get some glue there, glue there. Okay. Make sure that this back axle piece is going in the center of that, and then this front one going in the center of that. And you can tell by all the features there if the track is going in the correct position. Really helpful. So now I'll put some glue down on all of these. Got it. Just like the other side. Test that. Looking good. So now, put some glue here, like that. Then use this tweezer here. And then put this piece on like that. Now if we could just manage to stay there, that'd be great. There you go. Now let's do the other side. Put some glue like that. And there you go. So the body of the tank, the hull, is officially done. Now let's do this turret. Pretty straightforward. Just put some glue there, there, a little bit of glue there. Then take this. There you go. That's in the correct position now. Get some glue there. Next, put this there. Perfect. Now, get this, put glue there. And then put that in that step. And then put a little glue there. And go like that. There's that hatch. Last but not least, put glue here. Take the gun, glue like that. There you go. So there is the first turret. Now let's fiddle with the other turret. This one's less complicated. You don't have to glue the gun on and stuff. There you go. Go. Now, some glue here, here, that, Okay. Last, but technically not. Oh. Alright. Last but not least, this hatch. There you go. And then that turret can go in there. So there you have it, the Panzer IV from Miniature Tanks Company. Available with the 2 different turret options. Pay attention to which kit that you will get. Available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.